Welcome to my class. In this today's episode, I'm going to discuss about Bharti Airtel Limited company regarding the company introduction, history and business news. All these things we'll discuss in this part. In the previous episode, we just completed about the company overview of Asian Paint Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited, and also Adani Ports, Axis Bank Company. So regarding this we have to cover. So then let me discuss about Bharti Airtel Limited. Bharti Airtel Limited. So it was incorporated in the year 1995 under the ownership group of Bharti Group, and headquarter it was located at New Delhi, India. Chairman Mr. Sunil Bharti Mittal, and also present head is MD and CEO both, that is Mr. Gopal Vittal, and also CFO, that is Mr. Nakul Sehgal. So this is what the brief note about the Bharti Airtel Limited. Now let me discuss about regarding the company introduction. Bharti Airtel Limited is a leading global telecommunications company with operations in 20 countries across Asia and Africa. So this you should remember, Bharti Airtel Limited is one of the leading global telecommunication company. Okay, it is one of the leading company with operations in 20 countries. So it operated in among the 20 countries across Asia and Africa. And Airtel provides GSM, 3G and 4G LTE mobile services, fixed line broadband and also voice services depending upon the country of operation, means on the basis of country's operation method. So this Airtel will provide the services like GSM, 3G and 4G LTE mobile services, okay, along with the fixed line broadband voice services. So this is what the company introduction about Bharti Airtel Limited. It is the largest mobile network operator in India and also third largest in the world with 400 million subscribers. Okay. Now let me see about company history of this telecommunication. Now let me see about company history. In 1984, Sunil Mittal started assembling push button phones in India. Okay, in the year 1984, Sunil Mittal, so he started assembling push button phones in India. By the early 1990s, Bharti was making fax machines, codeless phones and other telecom gear. Okay, so in the early 1990s itself, so Bharti was making fax machines and also codeless phones and other telecom gear. In 1992, he successfully bid for one of the 4 mobile phone network licenses, that is auction in India. That means in the year 1992, he would become successfully bid for the one of the 4 mobile phone network license auction in India, and also he was one of the first Indian entrepreneur to identify the mobile telecom business as a major growth area. That is what Sunil Mittal. And also his plans were finally approved by the government in 1994 and he launched services in Delhi, that is in the year 1995. And when Bharti Cellular Limited, means BCL, was formed to offer cellular services under the brand name, that is Airtel. Okay, so this is what the brand name Airtel, and within a few years Bharti became the first telecom company to cross the 2 million mobile subscriber mark. So this is what the background of this company. Then what is philosophy of this company? So the philosophy, in the sense the vision, it should be to enrich the lives of customers, and to company's obsession is to win customers for life through an exceptional experience. Means by providing the exceptional services and experience to the customer. So it should be what win the heart of the customer. So this is what the main vision of this company. Then what about mission of this company? That is hunger to win customers for life. So this is what the mission of this company, hunger to win customers for life. Now let me discuss about then what are the portfolios of this company. Now let me see about business in news, means the achievement of this company. Bharti Airtel ranked 700 place on Forbes World's Largest Public Corporation list in 2020, and also Airtel Business has been awarded as the Enterprise Data Service Provider of the Year and the Enterprise Telecom Service Provider of the Year in the large enterprise segment at the 17th edition of the Frost and Civilian ICT Awards. So these are the awards also which attained by the Airtel Bharti Airtel Limited. So this is regarding what the business in news. And if we are discussing about the portfolio of this company, then some of the products and services which will offered by this company, that is on the segment of telemedia, it will provide broadband internet access through DSL internet leased lines like this, and also on the segment of digital television, that is directed to home, means DTH services, means direct to home or DTH services will provide. And also under the segment of enterprise, end-to-end telecom solutions to corporate customers and national and international large distance services services will be provided. And also regarding the mobile data service, here USB modem, Airtel data card, etc. So these services will provide. And also under the segment of enterprise business solutions, that is GPRS based solutions like mobile applications, tools for enterprise, TrackMate, automatic meter reading solutions, etc. And also other services, that is SMS based solutions like interactive SMS, bulk SMS, inbound call center solutions. So like this, so many services and products which will be provided by this company. Okay, so this is what regarding the Bharti Airtel Limited. Okay students, in the next episode we'll continue one more company. Okay, until that you just revise those concepts. We'll see in the next episode. Thank you.